So the next thing I would want to do is I just want you to see the process in creating maybe your own virtual machine and all that. So the first thing I would want to do is at least look for a hypervisor. So for a hypervisor, we said we're going to be using VirtualBox. So first of all, you need to go and look for VirtualBox download. So you do a VirtualBox download. So clearly, you need to go onto their official website. I prefer you to go onto the official website. Let's see. So yeah, let's see how it works. So we need to download it from the official website. And so we'll go into VirtualBox, which is coming from Oracle. Once we get that, I think the link is a bit slow. So I'll just open another one, the VMware workstation download. So that as well. Now, VirtualBox, this is it. So for those who are using a Mac OS, you would want to install the binaries for Mac OS. Those who are using Windows, you go here and you download it. So basically you download it and then you install it. So for those who are using Linux, for our lessons, you don't need to create, if you're using Linux, you don't need to create another virtual machine because we're creating a virtual machine to install Linux. But yes, you download the software, VirtualBox, for those who are, that's your hypervisor anyway. So for those who want to use VMware, it's not free unless you want to use a VMware player. But if you're going to use VMware Workstation, you can also download the VMware Workstation. So let's assume that we have downloaded the softwares.